So I've spent some time at your campus today. I got to see some of the programs going on here. Talk to me about what your school is doing to get students ready for their futures and for high school and whatnot.
We just really are focused on literacy and language acquisition. We know that literacy is going to define the trajectory of their future. And so we are really working hard to make sure that they are at grade level or above grade level in reading as that pours into other content areas. So that is our push. We are pushing our use of our Amplify Boost program that supports getting them ready or reaching grade level. The use of grade level material. We are really pushing moving more students out to the team centers so that we know that they are meeting those academic expectations. But just really focused on that literacy piece.
I love that. And as we move into kind of these last few weeks of school, what's the focus? I mean, I think I kind of know the answer here, but what's the focus as we're...
I mean, of course, we want to make sure our kids are proficient and ready to take on the challenge of STAAR. But even beyond that, it really is just staying focused on making sure that each and every day they have the opportunity to engage with grade level material, effective instruction in every classroom every day, and that we are doing what we need to do to meet the needs of every student in the building.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for letting us tour your campus today and
I appreciate
see everything
you
up
being
close.
here. I hope you enjoyed everything. Thank you.
We sure did. Thank you very much.